So hi everyone, today we are up with another problem and the name of the problem is intersection of two linked lists. So it's a linked list problem today and lots of like, okay. So let us see what the problem states. We have to write a program to find the node at which the intersection of two singly linked list begins. Okay, so we need to find the intersecting node at which two linked list intersect. Okay, the first node at which they intersect. So for example, the two linked lists are given A and B. You can see that A and B linked list intersect each other at C1. So we need to give the output as C1. We need to what we need to give as an output, reference of node with the value 8. Okay, so look at this example. 8 is the node which is intersecting is 8 only, so we are giving output this node. Okay, so it's quite easy to understand the problem, and once again I'll suggest you to pause the video and think about the solution, how we can do it. There are 2-3 ways, but we'll discuss the most optimum one. Okay, so hope you guys have tried it or attempted it. So now just let us jump to the solution part and see how we are going to do it. Okay, so I have made these linked list as was given to us in the example. So how we are going to do it? There are, as told you earlier also, that there are multiple ways of doing it, but how I'm going to solve it is by using two pointers. Okay, so I'll rather traverse the linked list, both the linked list in one go only, and I'll increment the pointer until I reach null. And if I'll reach null of, suppose I'm traversing A and I reach null, so I'll assign it the value of B, head of B. Yeah, you heard it right. I'll assign the head pointer of B if I will end up having a null by traversing A. Basically what we will do, we'll make sure that both of our pointers reach at this point. Okay, so whenever both our pointers will reach a common value, we'll return that node. It might be sounding confusing, but let me show you how we are going to do it. Okay, so how are we going to do it? We'll start iterating. Okay, from A we are here, we'll go to the next node, and now we are on B, we'll go to the next node. Since it is not null, we'll traverse. Okay, we'll traverse. We are basically traversing the linked list until we reach null. So now look at this, we are on A and the next is null. So if such condition arises, what we will do, we'll assign it the head node of B. Okay, so if we are getting null by traversing A, we'll assign it the head node of B. That's what I told you earlier. So the control will now go to here. Our A pointer is here now. Okay, so and where was our B pointer? Here we were. So we'll go to the next one in B, and now here is our A pointer. We'll keep on traversing it until both of our pointers reach a common point. Okay, and here it was our B pointer. So here also the similar condition arises, so we'll assign it the head node of A. Here it is. Okay, here is our B pointer now, and where we were in B, A, sorry, A, here we were. So next, traverse it, we reach C1. See now what happens. Here is our A pointer, and here is our B pointer. So both of the pointers meet here. Okay, so the first time where it meets is our answer. So here is the answer, and the answer is C1. So this is what we are going to do. We'll take a loop and we'll traverse both of the linked lists together. The first node where both of our pointers meet will be our answer. So that was the simple approach. No need of counting the length of each linked list and doing all these things that you might be doing if you think of the solution in some other way. It's the most simplest approach. So let us jump onto the coding part now. So here it is, simple solution. So let us start. If head A is equal to null, this is basic checking if head of any of the given linked list is null or not. So after that, what we'll do, we'll define pointers that we were taking A and B pointers. Okay, so we have assigned them the value of head of A and B. Now what we will do, we'll iterate, we'll traverse the linked list. Okay, so till y until what step we need to traverse the linked list is when till the time both of the pointers do not meet a common point. So what does that mean? Till the time A is not equal to B. Okay, so this is the condition, and what we were doing inside that, we'll simply traversing a linked list till the time we are not encountering null, and if we encounter null, we'll assign A the head of B and B the head of A. So this is simple. A is, I'll use here as a ternary operator. You guys know it. If A equals null. Okay, so if it is the case, what you will assign it head of B, else what we'll do, A dot next. Okay, similarly we'll write it for B. Okay, and after which, as soon as we'll exit this loop, that means we have reached a common point, so we'll return any of the pointers since both are at common point only. So this was it, 6-7 lines program, and I hope it was easy. And let's see now, run this code. Okay, accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, success. So that was it, and I hope I explained it pretty well and you got the concept. So see you in the next.